Alright guys, man, this is Sean and Kat down here at the Chow Wagon, and we just went on the helicopter so we can get a look at it. There we go. So we were just down there, we just did so what do you think, Kat? It's our first time on a helicopter.
Oh my god, that was like amazing. It was so much fun. I was hooked before and I'm even more hooked now. So you gotta go. I'm learning to fly. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna become a pilot.
So we got some great video from up there. So here, check the video out, guys.